Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus is one of the best Android tablets you can get today. However, there is a new competitor in the space, and it's the OnePlus Pad. So, how do these tablets stack up against each other? Find out in today's video on OnePlus Pad versus Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
Starting with the design, the Tab S8 Plus features a Super AMOLED display clocking in at Quad HD and a 120Hz refresh rate. It's a 12.4-inch display with an 84.6% screen-to-body ratio, meaning you get more screen real estate and highly narrow bezels. Besides these, it's also capable of displaying HDR10 Plus content and puts out a peak brightness of 500 nits. For protection, the Tab S8 Plus uses Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It's not the latest, but it will definitely withstand scratches and scuffs. On the other hand, the OnePlus Pad comes with an IPS LCD panel which pales in comparison to the Super AMOLED on the Tab S8 Plus. This tab also has a peak brightness of 500 nits but has a higher refresh rate of 144 Hz. It's an 11.61-inch display with 2000 by 2800 pixels and 84.2% screen-to-body ratio. So if you want to game on a tablet, it'll be hard to beat the OnePlus Pad. Moving on to the body of these tablets, the S8 Plus features an ultra-slim body made from aluminum weighing only 567 grams. The OnePlus Pad is made out of aluminum alloy and weighs 550 grams. Both devices are lightweight, with the Pad being slightly lighter than the S8 Plus. And definitely, you'd want to play most games in a tablet without any lag or stuttering, which brings us to the processor. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 gets its processing power from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. This octa-core CPU will ensure the best gaming performance and optimal power solution. In addition, to make your gaming session smoother and more enjoyable, the S8 Plus comes with the Adreno 730 chipset. Sadly, the same cannot be said about the OnePlus Pad, as it comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset. MediaTek chipsets are usually used in mid-tier devices because performance-wise, Snapdragon beats MediaTek by a long shot. The same can be said about the GPU. OnePlus Pad uses the Mali G710 Mac 10. While the differences between Adreno and Mali GPU is negligible for the most part, Adreno usually performs better for graphics-intensive tasks. Both devices come with dedicated slots for external storage. However, with the Tab S8 Plus, you can get different RAM and internal storage options. But with the OnePlus Tab, just one 128GB storage and 8GB RAM are available as of right now. One thing to note is that the Tab S8 Plus comes with an under-screen fingerprint sensor. Nothing was said for the OnePlus Pad at the flagship event. The fingerprint reader on the S8 Plus isn't the most advanced one like the ones in S22 and S23 Ultra, but having something is better than not having one at all. Coming to the camera section, the OnePlus Pad comes with a single 13-megapixel camera on the back. The rear camera is capable of shooting 4K and 1080p at 30 FPS, which is the most flattering spec out there. On the front, you get an 8-megapixel selfie camera capable of recording 1080p at 30 FPS. While it's most definitely not impressive, we'll have to see if OnePlus can justify these specs with the price tag. Over at the Samsung camp, the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus comes with a dual camera setup. You get a 13-megapixel primary camera and a 6-megapixel ultra-wide camera. As far as recording capabilities are concerned, the S8 Plus is capable of 4K at 60 FPS and 1080p at 30 FPS. In the front, the S8 Plus has the 12-megapixel ultra-wide selfie camera, making sure you can fit everyone in the family selfie. Now, it's unlikely that you'll take breathtaking pictures with your tablet. It's always great to have a good camera on these. So, in the battle of cameras, the clear winner is the Tab S8 Plus. The single rear camera and 8-megapixel selfie camera on the OnePlus Pad just aren't good enough for today's standard. Having good processors and cameras are amazing, but if the tabs don't have great battery capacity, it all fails. The Tab S8 Plus comes with a 10,090 mAh battery and the OnePlus Pad comes with 9510 mAh. The S8 Plus charges at 45 watts, fully charging a device in 82 minutes. On the other hand, the Pad is capable of 67 watts charging. So while the Samsung Tab has a bigger battery, it charges slowly, and the OnePlus Tab has a smaller battery and charges faster. All of it boils down to what you do with the Tab and what you want in terms of charging capacity or charging speed. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus is the clear winner in this battle. OnePlus Pad can be a viable option considering they stick to the right price tag. So what do you think? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.